Good morning. It's 5th of May today. It's a nice and bright day over here. The sun is shining. Let me take you to few remaining plants in my garden. This is a cherry tree. It is a cherry number 2. I have made lots of videos on this cherry tree, and you will find the links below the video. Cherry number 2, and its variety is Stella. I have kept a little bit branch of the second variety. Mostly I add more and more varieties onto every tree to get the best out of it. But as far as cherries are concerned, I have only kept one variety. It is Stella, and main reason is that to get the fruit you have to put a net, otherwise the birds they won't leave them. So if there are few varieties grafted onto one tree, then obviously they will be ripening at different times. It is very difficult to take the net off and take the cherries which are ripe and ready to be taken, and then put the net again for the second crop. So most of the time, in the past, I have not put a net onto this one. That has always been the share of the birds. But on my cherry number 1, I always cover it with the net and take the fruit. I have done lots of grafts, showing how to graft. That was done using the method Y-graft. And when it started growing, I had to break off the branch. I didn't want the second variety to grow, but still the grafting giant is growing and swelling. You can see how big it has gone. That was another graft done. It is a nice and beautiful tree, and hopefully it will give me a lot of fruit. That is one of the grapes in my garden, and now the time is coming up, and if you look carefully you can see small buds, they are appearing. So that's one of the grapes. That is the second one, and a lot of buds can be seen. So hopefully it will be growing vigorously very soon, and it will be full of leaves and fruit. And now I have come to the front part of my garden. Mostly it has the roses, and a lot of the roses I have grafted with the various varieties. So as soon as the weather improves and the flower will come out, then they will be visible which variety has been successful. There are these 2 roses with the wall, which I have grafted with lots of different varieties. They all have grown very soon. I will give in all the details in a separate video to show you which one have been very successful, which one are just alive. But these 2 roses, they have more than half a dozen grafts on them, and I have tried to graft with various varieties, so they will have lots of different colors of flowers on them. I am millions times smaller than a dot on the face of the earth. If you lose me once, it will be hard to find me again. To avoid that situation, you can subscribe to my channel and you will have easy access to me and to my videos. Thank you.